Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
With Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
So where are we today, Molly?
Today we are in an area of San Antonio called Churchill Estates. And we're working on various areas of the house, but for today's purposes, we are in the master bathroom, master suite actually. So we've completely gutted the space and we are reconfiguring the whole thing. It's not even going to be close to what it was originally.
So basically what we had here was not that it's a bad thing, but kind of a builder grade bathroom, cultured marble, separate tub, separate shower, a little water closet for the toilet. Not that there's anything wrong with that. We're just trying to make it look a little more modern. So actually, imagine where Molly is. There's actually going to be a glass wall right here with a glass door. And what we're doing is we're creating a wet room. So a freestanding tub, shower space, and a bench. So basically the tub and shower behind one large glass paneled wall. And it's called a wet room. So it's more of a spa type feel. We're also getting rid of some windows, putting in some new windows, but we're removing the toilet. We're putting in a linen cabinet and a smaller double vanity, which we're doing so that we could create the wet room. All of the materials are much more modern. There's a really cool countertop.
Oh, it's so awesome. Just for a second, I have to talk about this countertop. It's black, leathered, chiseled, and it has some white, not
veining.
even veins. Well, it's got veins, but it's got some
thicker almost.
Yes, just some amazing movement and some iridescence to it. And the sink itself, instead of having two sinks, we're going to do a trough sink, so it kind of comes up a little bit, and it's long. But we shrunk the vanity size in order, and that's why we did the trough, in order to get this whole wet area. So it's going to be great. We've got the tile that's on the floor, and it's going to run all the way underneath. And it'll just be real nice. So no transition.
Right, no transition. And
glass right to the floor.
Right, so part of this project is also bringing the home up to a much more green energy stage. So we had spray foam going on, we had solar panels going in, smart electrical panel, which is why all these wires are here, tankless water heaters. So there's a lot more going on.
Leave the wires.
Yeah, it's the industrial look. So that's part of the overall project, but at least for our purposes here, it's just going to be much more of a spa-like bathroom that we're creating for these clients.
Yeah, well, we're excited. So next time, about a month from now, if we come back here in this spot, it'll look very different. I mean, you're literally seeing behind the drywall because we are at the framing stages. There's stuff going on behind us. There's a garage that we've got work on, and the guys are
There's stuff going on upstairs.
Really, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? So anyway, they're quiet for us right now. We've got probably 3 crews here, 3 or 4 of them right this minute. So anyway, thank you very much for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next edition a month from now in this very spot. And you keep following along, then you'll get to see the progression of this project. So thanks for showing up, and share.
Share and share alike.
Like, share, like.
Thanks.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.